Frequently asked questions. From Searchbug community. We understand that things can get technical here sometimes, so we've implemented some of the most frequently asked questions to answer what's on your mind. Are there any recurring fees? One of the things that sets Searchbug apart from our competition is there are no sign-up fees, monthly fees, subscription fees or any other types of recurring fees. You control all of the spending and you only pay for the searches that you place. How long does it take to get my account activated? In 2022, Searchbug introduced automatic account activation. When you sign up for your account, a randomized test transaction is sent through to the card on file. Searchbug then asks you to confirm the amount of that transaction. Once confirmed, your account will be automatically activated. What are search tokens? Search tokens are essentially a micropayment system. You purchase search tokens directly from our website and then use that to place your searches. Every search has a specific search tokens cost. For example, SSN validation is 50 search tokens and premium people search is 195 search tokens. You can purchase as little as 500 search tokens for $5, 100 search tokens equals $1. Do you have more questions? Check out our FAQ section on our website to learn more about Searchbug and our services.